What is it? Whoa! What's that?
It says baby, the original Baby Cupcakes Monster Cupcake Maker.
Ooh, that's the one we saw at the one store, Bed Bath & Beyond. Not the one you wanted, isn't it? Wow.
It's easier to cook cupcakes now.
What else is in there? You know what you're doing today.
I don't think we have cupcake mix though. Here.
You're dark.
Yeah. Whoa, bubble wrap.
Oh, those are pipettes. What else is in that box?
There.
Hey, hurry up, Belle, 'cause I gotta eat. I gotta make dinner. What are those? Cookbooks?
Yep.
Bake books?
Yep.
Ooh, nice.
This is chocolate glaze.
Oh, yeah.
Cake pop baking mix.
There you go. See, you do have some. Oh, cupcake ones. Nice.
And this is red velvet with cream.
Oh, you know what you're making tonight.
Cupcake baking mix.
Yeah.
And
What's that?
flip
Whoa.
over cake pop maker.
Ah. What the heck did she buy you?
Cake pop maker. Make cake pops.
Wow. And what's that one?
This one's a cupcake maker.
What the heck? Wow. I think it's just accessories.
And here's some more
Ooh,
cake
lemon
pops
ones?
and a cupcake one. Vanilla, and then this one's lemon.
Okay, well, which one are you making today? Because you know you're making some.
Do you like cupcakes?
I don't care.
Or you like cake pops?
I like them both. You know me. Okay, what's the other box, babe? Watch out. Watch out. Hold up.
Is it on pause?
No.
Yo, dale.
What the?
Crap.
What's that?
It is.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Is that a chocolate dipper?
Yeah. That is awesome. I might be sneaking chocolate. Nobody is looking. What is Mom?
What do you say?
Thank you, Nana.
And
I love you. And Uncle Ricky. Love you both.
you like your stuff?
Yes.
That's pretty cool, huh? Okay, let's get them all together and then we can take a picture. We
Okay.
can send it to Nana. I'm gonna put this video on YouTube for her.